Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating your license and saving a full config backup to an external drive. This preserves settings if anything fails. Once done, download the Only Way upgrade package for Rtts Player 25 into a dedicated folder and verify the SHA-256 checksum to avoid corrupted files. Make sure you close all other programs and disable antivirus temporarily, because real-time scans can interrupt installers. Also plug in power or confirm at least 5% battery to run the Only Way installer as administrator and explicitly choose the upgrade option so you keep profiles and preferences. During the wizard, carefully select which plugins to retain and map existing media and project paths one-to-one to avoid broken links. When the installer triggers the automated database migration, let it complete and monitor the progress window. If conflicts appear, note the file names and continue. Migration will reconcile most entries, but flagged items need manual review afterward. After installation finishes, restart the machine to finalize file locks and driver updates. Once rebooted, launch Rtts Player 25, confirm the displayed version and license activation, and run core workflows, playback, export, and plugin behavior to ensure everything functions. If you hit errors, restore your backup to revert quickly. For troubleshooting, open the installer and application logs, run the repair mode in the installer, and if necessary, re-download and reapply the checksum verified package. This resolves most corruption and mismatch issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.